An efficient power storage system is a key consideration for customers looking to go off-grid or to capitalise on the growing trend towards home solar energy use. RENAC Power's latest storage solution is the Turbo H1 storage system series that has a stackable design and employs maintenance-free lithium iron phosphate technology to ensure reliable power delivery day or night, on or off-grid. Stackable design allows the individual battery modules with 3.74 kilowatt-hours capacity to be stacked on top of one another to quickly expand the overall capacity up to 18.7 kilowatt-hours as customers' energy needs evolve over time without system overhauling or additional accessories. Lithium iron phosphate batteries' superior chemistry with a phosphate-based cathode that is more thermally and chemically stable than the other lithium batteries ensure improved safety during operation. Also, with no rare metals or acid, it remains stable in extreme temperatures with zero risks of explosion or fire, even when damaged. The zero maintenance LFP technology translates into minimal downtime and maximum productivity with an increased cycle life of up to 6,000 cycles. Depth of discharge refers to the amount of a storage system's capacity that is usable, and a higher 90% depth of discharge means more usable power that adds to the extended life of the product. Plug-and-play design with no complex wirings and electronics allows for easy, safe and cost-effective installation. Smart energy monitoring software facilitates easy management and maintenance of the device with the option for remote firmware upgrades on a mobile phone. With its corporate office in Suzhou, China, and a manufacturing facility spread across 10,000 square metres, RENAC Power has grown into one of the leading companies in providing smart energy solutions. Our dedicated research and development team constantly manufactures efficient and high-performing products aimed at improving the quality of life of customers.